Hello everyone, wish you a very happy new year. May 2024 bring you happiness, good health and a lot of wealth. Let's begin by talking about global and Indian growth outlook. Global growth remained resilient through 2023, led by a very strong growth in US. In 2024, we expect global growth to remain steady, though it would be slightly lower than the growth that we saw in 2023, mainly because of the higher rates still walking through the economy, limited fiscal room to further ease, and geopolitical issues. In US, the data is showing signs of a slowing economy, even labor demand and the wage growth are cooling off. At the same time, the financial conditions have eased due to the rally in US treasuries and equities. Easing financial conditions are growth supportive. We expect the US to grow at 1.7% in 2024. In Euro area, growth is expected to remain lackluster due to fiscal drag and other structural issues. In China, the property sector continues to degrow. Credit growth has been slowing down. The FDI flow has turned negative. Manufacturing sector and infrastructure sector investments are expected to counter the property sector slowdown. Overall, we expect the world to grow at around 2.6 to 2.7% in calendar year 2024, which would be around 30 to 40 basis points lower than the growth in 2023. As far as India is concerned, growth has been resilient so far. Growth momentum is led by the government-led capex push and the revival in housing sector. However, the consumption has remained weak so far. In FY25 also, we expect investments to be the main driver of the growth. The public capex has been the key contributor to the overall capex in the economy, and the capex uptick that we have seen in last few years, the public capex has been the main contributor, along with the strong support from the housing and the construction sectors. The private sector capex has remained a bit of a laggard. This year in FY25, we expect private sector capex to also pick up once the election-related uncertainty is over. Enabling conditions for the private sector capex are already in place. The corporate balance sheets are very healthy and the capacity utilization has already crossed 75%. Besides capex, we expect consumption to also improve in 2024 from the current low levels on the back of general economic uptick, lower inflation and the election-related spending. We expect India to grow at 6.5% in FY25 from a 7% growth in FY24. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.
म्यूचुअल फंड निवेश बाजार के जोखिमों के अधीन है। स्कीम संबंधी सभी दस्तावेजों को ध्यान से पढ़ें।